Scalping versus swing trading. What's the difference and what is better for you to trade according to your current life? Let's find out. Scalping and swing trading, it is maybe the most popular trading strategies on crypto when you trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and other instruments. Also, all people use it as on stock market, on a forex, doesn't matter, you can use it everywhere. In this video lesson, you will see a complete and total difference between scalping and swing trading, and I would say ideological difference, like between communist and capitalism. That's why let's find out. First, I would like to share with you all the trades. I want to make this lesson practical. That's why I prepare for you my trades that I took according to scalping trading strategy, and also I would like to share with you trades that I took according to swing trading strategy, and you would see the difference. That's why push like, subscribe, turn on the bell to get such useful lessons in the future, because YouTube does not like to share crypto content, and when you subscribe you will get recommendations of future lessons and it costs you nothing. Thank you. Two examples of my trades that I took according to scalping trading strategy. Two of them, it was breakout and false breakout on Bitcoin. First example, take a look. Bitcoin price dropping few days in a row, and at one day Bitcoin did massive drop, pullback and additional drop. In most cases that's a signal for a pullback. Also take a look, here was the biggest volume, and in many cases it's a signal that at least there would be some pullback, and Bitcoin after did it. But what was the real beauty of that? That I always have a footprint. Take a look here, it is a footprint of Bitcoin, and I always have access to it and I always watch it. And what I saw, Bitcoin did really low. Some people were traded here 1,800 Bitcoins. It's quite a lot, my friends. It is 57 millions of USD, and it is only on Binance exchange. And what I did after, I opened buy trade, long trade, scalp trade with really very small stop loss, only 0.33%. And here when price hit VWAP, like here you don't see VWAP, but there were a VWAP, and before VWAP I said to take profit, and my risk reward was 1 to 4. A lesson about what is risk reward, we have a free course for beginners. There would be a link below this video in description. Watch another trade. Take a look at this key level where traded 354 Bitcoins. It's also quite a lot of amount of money. It were traded exactly here, my friend, exactly here. And what I saw, that price started squeezing to trend line, and I opened a trade, and when price, do you see, broke local key, like made a fake, I thought that there would be breakout, but breakout didn't happen, and when this happened I closed it. Honestly, I could keep it for much bigger period of time, but I closed it still. Do you see that I used real volume in DOM and footprint as support of my trade? It's scalping. You see volume in DOM and footprint, and you see patterns that support it, and you just execute it because you see current moment and you understand that momentum, at least for 2, 3, 4% movement, is really possible. Because remember that for instrument it's difficult to absorb huge volume at first time, and they always pull back. What's the complete different compared to swing trading? Let's open this trade that I took on BNB. The trade I took, it was March 21. Take a look how BNB after that rise up. Take a look. It was my trade. What was here? Do you see key level on bigger time frame? Key level on bigger time frame. After that, what do you see? The price did this drop, biggest volume, like trap for bulls, and take a look. They hit key level, hit again, and third time. Let's open lower time frame. Do you see what happened here? That exactly before key level breakout, they create beautiful range and squeeze into this key level. And after breakout, I open a trade. Honestly, at that time, I didn't saw a footprint. I didn't saw what's going on there, because what I had global trend up, price create beautiful key level, price bounced to that key level several times, made few traps that they hit stop losses or of retail bulls that don't know that better to trade breakout after a trap. And after that, my friend, what happened? Amazing breakout. And take a look. Honestly, do you see what I did? According to this move up, I added volume, and all my position I closed here. But take a look how after that it rise up. I took here, honestly, it was my best trade because I added so much volume towards the price that I took 1 to 20 risk reward in this trade. But if I would keep it till the end, maybe it would be 1 to 100. But what it means 1 to 100, you put 1000 USD into risk and you made 100k. Another example for you of a swing trade, it was a sold trend line breakout. Take a look on this beautiful trend line breakout. What's going on here? Trend line break, do you see? Beautiful. What they did? Before trend line breakout, they did this stop loss hunt. They took stop losses of all people that bought here, they stop losses taken. And after that, what's going on? Price started this beautiful uprise, and here I took my take profit. Another example on DOT, take a look. Beautiful trend line squeezing. I took a trade closed by parts. Do you see that according to swing trading, what I do? I open a chart on bigger time frame and I looking for clear patterns, and especially if there are a stop loss hunt, a trap before, I open a trade, and that's it. That's how I do swing trading. Honestly, according to swing trading, it's good to use DOM and footprint, but honestly, it's not such important as in scalping. But in scalping without footprint and DOM, it's the same like you have a gun, you shoot in your leg, and for you hard to walk. Why would you do it? That's why I recommend you to learn it. And my friend, we have a trading course. We have a trading course for scalpers and for swing trading. I recommend you to join and learn these strategies that would work for you and learn how to make money on that. Below this video, there would be contacts. My team will send you all information and you will choose what is better for you. See you. Bye.